Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. Today we're comparing two big names in the steam shower world, ThermaSol and Kohler. If you're planning a home steam shower, there's a good chance you've come across both of these brands. They're both premium, they're both well established, and they're both trusted, but they're actually built for very different types of buyers. So in this video, I'll break down how ThermaSol and Kohler steam generators compare in terms of performance, technology, reliability, controls, and, most importantly, who each one is best for. By the end, you'll know exactly which brand makes more sense for your steam shower. Let's start with the big picture difference between ThermaSol and Kohler. At a high level, here's the simplest way to think about it. ThermaSol is a technology-first steam brand. Kohler is a design-first, ecosystem brand. ThermaSol focuses heavily on innovation, smart controls, fast steam delivery, and advanced features. Kohler focuses on integration, making the steam shower feel like part of a larger, beautifully designed bathroom system. Neither approach is wrong, they're just built for different priorities. Now let's talk about the steam generators themselves. ThermaSol generators are known for three things: fast steam production, strong, consistent output, advanced internal technology. They use a split tank design, which allows for faster heat-up times and more precise temperature control. ThermaSol units are also built with power flush technology, which automatically cleans the tank to reduce scale buildup, especially useful in areas with hard water. In short, ThermaSol generators are engineered for performance and longevity. Kohler steam generators are designed with reliability and simplicity in mind. They heat more gradually compared to ThermaSol, but they deliver a smooth, steady steam that many homeowners find extremely comfortable. Kohler focuses less on internal tech innovation and more on stable performance, quiet operation, long-term dependability. They have seamless compatibility with Kohler controls and bathroom systems. They're built to feel solid, predictable, and refined. Now let's talk about controls and user experience. This is where ThermaSol really stands out. Their Pro Series controls offer full touchscreen interfaces, Wi-Fi and app connectivity, voice control integration, built-in smart features, steam, lighting, sound, and water control in one system. ThermaSol essentially treats your steam shower like a smart wellness hub. If you love technology, customization, and having everything controlled from one interface, this is a big advantage. Kohler takes a more design-centric approach. Their controls are clean, minimal, beautifully integrated into the wall. They're designed to match Kohler faucets, showers, and bathroom fixtures perfectly. While Kohler controls don't offer as many smart features as ThermaSol, they're extremely intuitive and visually elegant, especially in high-end designer bathrooms. Let's talk about steam performance and experience. With ThermaSol, steam tends to arrive faster and feels slightly more intense and responsive. This is great if you like quick warm-ups and precise control. Kohler steam feels slower, softer, and more gradual, which some users actually prefer for relaxation. Neither is better, it's more about the experience you want, fast and tech-driven or smooth and spa-like. Now let's talk about reliability and maintenance. Both brands are reliable, but they approach longevity differently. ThermaSol focuses on automated cleaning, smart diagnostics, advanced internal systems. Kohler focuses on fewer moving parts, simpler electronics, long-term durability with minimal intervention. If you prefer fewer electronics and a simpler system, Kohler has an edge. If you like smart features and automated maintenance, ThermaSol shines. Now let's talk about pricing and value. Generally speaking, ThermaSol tends to be more expensive, especially once you add smart controls and advanced features. Kohler is often slightly more affordable, particularly for homeowners who don't need high-tech functionality. However, value depends on what you actually use. If you won't use voice control, apps, or advanced presets, Kohler may give you better value. If you will use those features, ThermaSol justifies its price. So, which one should you choose? Choose ThermaSol if you want the most advanced steam technology, you like smart homes and automation, You want fast steam startup. You want one control for steam, lighting, sound, and water. You're building a high-end, tech-forward bathroom. Choose Kohler if you value elegant design and simplicity. You want seamless integration with Kohler fixtures. You prefer a calmer, spa-like steam experience. You don't need advanced smart features. You want proven reliability with minimal complexity. ThermaSol and Kohler are both excellent steam generator brands, but they serve different types of homeowners. ThermaSol is about innovation and control. Kohler is about design and consistency. The best choice isn't about which brand is better. It's about which one fits your lifestyle, your bathroom design, and how you actually plan to use your steam shower. If you want help choosing between ThermaSol and Kohler, or you want us to size your steam generator properly, you can reach out to us directly. You'll find links to all our steam shower collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more installation tips or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.